Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Teams version, license, and permissions. Once done, join or start the meeting and open the Copilot pane from the meeting toolbar so Copilot hears context. Make sure to grant microphone and screen permissions when prompted. This lets Copilot capture speech and shared content. If you use a separate device for presentation, connect it now so Copilot sees slides. You're setting the stage so the rest of the workflow is accurate and real-time, not retroactive or missing context. You actively direct Copilot with concise prompts. For example, ask it to summarize the last 5 minutes or create action items as speakers finish points. Once Copilot returns results, review and refine tone, length, and any sensitive content before sharing. Make sure to pin the generated notes to the meeting chat or export them to OneDrive or your preferred location. If multiple speakers overlap, prompt Copilot to focus on the current speaker to avoid mixed context and ensure clarity in the output. You wrap up by exporting Copilot outputs. Save notes to chat, export to OneDrive, or copy to clipboard so attendees get a clean summary. Once done, end the recording and confirm the transcript saved with correct permissions for attendees. Make sure to audit the action items and assign owners before closing. If Copilot stops responding, retry your prompt, refresh the Copilot pane, or check organization policy and microphone permissions. Those fixes resolve most interruptions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.